Hi, my name is Stephanie Rothert, and I just want to go over this workshop I'm offering this Sunday in Arvada at 1 o'clock. It's a 90-minute workshop, and it includes two 20-minute meditations, one on stress and one on pain, and a half hour on using essential oils. So basically, life is stressful, and what we can do is take all these tools to manage our stress or to respond differently. I'm a certified neurosculpting facilitator. I'm a doTERRA wellness advocate, licensed acupuncturist. I've been meditating for 25 years, and it's been a lifesaver for me. Are my problems gone? No. But do I have tools to go to when I need it? Yes. And I'm always working towards learning more tools and being able to offer them to you. So what we'll do is go over the philosophy of neurosculpting, and then part of it is that our experiences and our stories can be stored in our nervous system, and they can actually cause us pain later. And there's a saying in Chinese medicine that where there is no free flow, there's pain. Where there's pain, there's no free flow. So what acupuncture does is stimulate that flow, and in fact people's lives transform when they come regularly, and also through meditation, and then essential oils. All of these are very powerful techniques for self-healing, and so this is a self-healing workshop. It'll be very interactive. We will go over some anti-inflammatory oils. We will work with our subconscious stories, and we create stories in our nervous system from childhood experiences too, and we can work with them, and we can help release pain actually through regular